So I don't have the best track record with Valentine's Day. Last year, I waited too long.
I thought he was gonna plan something, like do a little bit of something. I'm hoping that he can kind of redeem himself this year.
This app, it's kind of a Hail Mary, and I really hope it works.
And while that's marinating, we're going to begin cooking the salmon. While the salmon is cooking,
a lot of pressure on me to really deliver this year. If I fall short, it's not gonna be good times.
see the fish
Ooh, a timer.
tense up. And that's because
Survey says,
Oh my God.
I do it.
So good. I do have the photographic evidence.
I told you the selfie would be important.
But
She does not believe
otherwise,
me.
I don't know if I would believe them. I'm very impressed.